When all collaborators of a research project finish their work, you as the process owner can go on the research, that at this moment is green, is gray, not green because you are the owner. Go on the research, the query that you are working in, and you can see that there are some of the papers that are in conflict. You can go on all the papers and you can decide to evaluate again all the papers that are already confirmed and decide to not accept their decision or accept. And this is your choice is not mandatory because the paper has already confirmed and selected. But what is mandatory is to solve the conflicts. Go to the papers that are put in conflict, read the information, read that this collaborator is the collaborator that decided to ignore, read, and decide why. Reading the notes. If you agree with him, you can accept his decision. So the paper is definitely excluded. Okay. Otherwise, you can go on another paper that your collaborator, Salvatore Mirator, decided to exclude. Reading is not, non it as a scope. Read the abstract and decide to do not accept the suggestion of your collaborator. So ignore his suggestion. This means, by ignoring, that the paper is selected. Is no more conflict. And so on. At the end, you have to solve all the conflicts. So number of conflicts will be equal to 0. So you have some papers selected, the others sticks hidden, no papers in conflicts, and confirmed if you want to push confirm.